Hi babes, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Iman. Fall is officially here, you guys. Summer is over and that means it is back to work, back to school. So I really wanted to do a look for you guys that is the perfect everyday work school look. This makeup is all about doing your makeup quickly and you just want to look flawless as well. You need it to last long, to be long wear, so it could last you all day. So thank you for Clinique for sponsoring today's video. For this look, I wanted to pick out products that are gonna do all of that and that are going to be very easy to use. The foundation that I'll be using in this look, the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation and Concealer. This is a 2-in-1, so this is one of my favorite products to use when I need to do my makeup quickly, but I also need it to be long lasting and look amazing. Without further ado, let's get into this everyday look perfect for work or school. So I don't know about you guys, but when I was working a 9 to 5 or going to school, I always needed to get ready super quick. For this look today, I'm really going to be using products that are multi-use, that get the job done really quick, that work really well, that do more than one thing. First primer that I'm using is this primer from Catrice. It is their beautifying primer. This primer is going to even out your skin tone and it gives your skin that little bit of luminosity. You can see how it has that very subtle glow, which is going to look beautiful under your foundation. If you want, you can use this instead of moisturizers to make your makeup go that much faster. Next up, I am using the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation and Concealer. This is the star of this look, you guys. This is a 2-in-1 foundation and concealer. You can apply this all over your entire face as a foundation, or you can apply this in specific areas that you need as a concealer. I love that it has this doe foot applicator that makes it so quick, so easy to apply. Also, because usually you're doing your makeup for work or for school early in the morning and then you leave and you're gone all day, so you really need your foundation and your makeup to last for hours. And this foundation is a long lasting foundation, so you're gonna get that long lasting coverage and your skin is gonna look flawless all day long. It does say that it has 24-hour lasting power. If you need to wear your makeup for 24 hours, I don't know why you would, but hey, you never know. And it is a full coverage foundation. Even though it is full coverage, it's very weightless, so it does not feel heavy on your skin. It is oil free, so it's gonna work for all skin types, normal, dry, oily, and the finish is a natural matte finish. So even though it is matte, you're not gonna get that kind of cakey heavy look because it's more of a natural matte. And the shade that I am using is the shade 6.75 Sesame, and it comes in 27 different shades, you guys, so I'm sure you will find the right shade for you. I'm gonna add just a little bit more, just like right in this area, because this is where I want that extra coverage. So now I'm applying this as my concealer. I wanted to let you guys know that if you go to a Clinique counter, they can shade match you and then give you a 10-day sample of the Beyond Perfecting Foundation Concealer for free. So you guys can try it out and see how it works for you. I'm sure you will love it. Thanks again, Clinique, for sponsoring this video. Since this is like a quick everyday work school look, I'm not gonna sit here and try to do highlighting and contouring. That is not happening, you guys. That's not realistic. Now I just want to set my face, and I am using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade 20 Light Medium. I also love the compact version of this powder. Whoops. Loose can take a little bit longer because you gotta use a puff and where compact, you can go in really quick. You can definitely use either one because the finish is beautiful. This is just gonna totally set all of your makeup. I definitely recommend applying powder because you need your makeup to last all throughout the day. So setting your makeup with powder is going to definitely do that. Time for brows. Now I know brows for a lot of people, it's one of those things that take forever to do. So I'm gonna show you guys a couple of tips, tricks on how to do your brows the fastest way possible. Of course, it's gonna depend on your brows because everyone's brows are different, but this is what I love to do to be out as quick as I can. So I just kind of brush everything up. The product that I'm gonna be using is one of my favorites for a super quick brow. It is the Benefit Brow Contour Pro Pencil. So this pencil has all of the different colors and shades, so you can use whatever you need and do it super quick. So I like to go in with the medium to dark shade. My little trick on how to get your brows to look great, but to do it super, super quick, is to just focus on the ends of your brows. So I'm just taking the darkest shade from the pencil and just filling in my ends, and then switching to the medium dark shade and then filling in my arch. That is it. And that, for some reason, just makes your brows look complete, even though it literally takes you 2 seconds. Like, look at that. Like, it looks like I took time to do my brows, but I didn't. That's it. That's all I'm gonna do. Super quick, super easy. Let me tell you guys, I don't know what it was about me being in school, but I was always late for class. I would end up doing my makeup on the train, like the subway, to go to school. I would sometimes like get to class, sign in, and then run to the bathroom and do my makeup. I was not a great student, you guys. I'm not gonna lie. So depending on how much time you have, you can definitely play around with the lighter shades of the pencil if you want to like highlight your brow bone and do all that stuff. Realistically, I probably would not do this step. I guess you could. It doesn't take that long. Just add a little pop. It really depends on how late I am that day. But if you need to, brow gel, I do recommend it. And again, I would just put this mainly like on my ends just to keep everything in place. So this is how I love to do my eye makeup, to give my eyes a little something, but also be able to do it super, super quick, and it's very easy to do. This is one of my favorite palettes. It is from Flower Beauty. It is the Golden Natural Shimmer and Shade eyeshadow palette. This is a great palette on the go because I also love that it comes with this little blending brush. And guys, usually blending brushes or any type of brushes in eyeshadow palettes are the worst, but this one is actually really good. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the quickest eye possible, taking this medium color right here. I'm gonna plop this color in my crease. You just want to kind of give your eyes a little something, and this is just going to warm up your look so your eyes don't look bare. This is going to help just wake up your eyes and give your eyes that look where you're like fresh and you're alive and you didn't just wake up 5 minutes ago, which for me was the case a lot of the time. So you kind of gotta fake it a little bit. So I'm mainly using this in my crease, and then as you guys saw, I just took a little bit, sweeped it along my lower lash line. This is gonna give the eye a really beautiful shape, and it's gonna open it up and make it look brighter and wider and more open and more awake. Then I like to go in with any of these shades, really. It kind of depends on how tanned I am. I just pick one of these 3 light shades, or you can even use a golden one, but I like the lighter ones because especially for a look like this, you want like a little bit of a light sparkle to your eye. And I'm literally just using my finger, you guys, just to plop that on my lid and my inner corner. And then the last part of the eye look is I like to take the darkest brown shadow from the palette, which is matte, this one right here, and then using a flat shadow brush like this. This has that square shape to it. When you're in a hurry, this is one of the easiest way to do a faux liner. So basically like an eyeliner, but it's gonna be sort of a fake liner because we're using this brush and shadow. If you want, you could always wet the brush, or you can use a dry, whatever you want. All you do is you basically just press the brush right at the base of your lashes. This is gonna make it look like you have eyeliner on, but it's gonna take you no time to do it, and it's gonna make your lashes look thicker as well. And the idea is to get this line as close to your lash line as possible. And then once you come out to the outer corner here, just hold the brush horizontally, and it's gonna automatically just create this very natural looking wing. I'm gonna show you guys just one more time how to get that fake wing. So just come out to the outer corner of your eye, hold the brush horizontally, and just extend that shadow, just pull that shadow out. And that's it. Seconds to do this full eye look, mascara, and you're done. My go-to mascara lately has been the new NARS Climax mascara. I love how long and full this makes your lashes look. And you don't need to do a lot of layers. This just does the most for your lashes in just a few swipes. And I love using this on my top and lower lashes, but I will say lower lashes for an everyday look can sometimes be risky because you can get a splot and then you gotta clean it. So I will say apply mascara on your lower lashes at your own risk, you guys, only if you have a couple of extra seconds to spare. This is definitely a look that you can wear for other occasions as well. And one of the best ways to kind of pump it up a bit is by adding a very natural pair of corner falsies. These ones from Ardell, I believe, are great examples. So you just put them on the outer corner of your lashes and it automatically just kind of opens up your eyes even more and takes your look to the next level. Not something you would necessarily do for work or for school, but this is a great option for any other occasion. When I'm in a hurry, I love to do contour and bronzer all in one using just a powder bronzer and a double-ended brush. This is my little trick. So I'm using this bronzer from BH Cosmetics. When you have the double-ended brush, you can use a little bit more of a heavier application with the smaller end of the brush to apply bronzer as a contour. So you're just gonna use this to kind of chisel out your cheekbone, along your hairline, and your jawline. And then all you need to do is flip the brush, and now you're gonna apply the bronzer as you would a bronzer, just kind of more along your cheeks, and then bring it down on your forehead a little bit more. You can apply both really quickly using a brush like this, and then that way you don't have to sit there and do cream contouring and all that before your foundation, because honestly, who has time for all of that? That's why when I'm going out for like a night out with the girls or something, I love to sit down and really take time to do my makeup, because I feel for the most part, I'm always in a rush. Another really quick and easy way to apply highlighter is using a cream highlighter. This one is from the brand Flesh in the shade Pinky. And I like cream highlighters because you can kind of just take your finger and apply it super quickly in whatever areas you need it. And you get like a really nice natural application, which I think is perfect for this type of look. So I like to take it along the high points of my cheekbones, a little bit along the brow bone as well, just to kind of highlight that part of my face, on top of the arch of my brow. And that just makes such a difference. That like brings so much light to your face. A little bit on my chin, down the bridge of my nose. You could definitely do the inner corner just to pop and make your eyes look more awake. The whole thing will really just take you a couple of seconds, but it will make a big difference in your look, you guys. So this is a step I would not skip. When it comes to blush, I find that a peach blush is flattering on everyone. So that is what I usually grab for my go-to everyday blush. I'm using this one from L'Oreal. It is the Paradise Enchanted blush in the color 193 Charming. You kind of can't go wrong with a peach blush. You know, it's just gonna look good on the skin. I find that it's a lot easier to use than a pink blush. Pink blushes can sometimes, you know, can be a little bit too much, especially if you over apply. But I find that with a peach blush, even if you over apply, it won't be the end of the world. It goes so beautiful with this like really natural style of makeup. And when I want my lip to last all day, I go for a long wear matte liquid lipstick. That is like my go-to because I know it's gonna stay on my lips, it's not gonna come off. The shade that I'm using is this color from Bare Minerals. This color is called The Weekend. Even though most likely you will be wearing this look to work or school, which is not on the weekend. This is a great color because it kind of has a peachy undertone to it. It is a very nice, comfortable matte formula. You can just really define the shape of your lip with the wand, so it just makes it so much quicker. Liquid lipsticks are great for that because it's just one product. You don't need a gloss, you don't need a lipstick. It's just one product on the go and you're done. This look is honestly so easy to do, you guys, especially if you do it a few times. I promise you, you'll get in such a good habit of knowing exactly what the next step is so you can do it in minutes. All the products that I use today are great for speedy makeup, and I really hope you guys loved this video. If you did, make sure you hit that like button and give it a thumbs up, and leave me a comment below and let me know what the craziest place you've ever done makeup. I really want to hear some of your stories for sure. And of course, please join the family if you are not already. Subscribe to my channel. Just hit that big red subscribe button. Be sure to add me on Instagram at Iman, and on Facebook, Twitter. You can find me everywhere. All of that is in the description. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I love you, and I will see you in another video very soon. Bye.